Hello my friend, I hope you are well. Today I'm going to teach you getting to know guitar chord and lesson 2. Yes, I'm Ahmad MousaviPour from guitarist and guitar teacher. I'm glad to like, subscribe and share this video. If you have any question about this lesson, just tell me on comment section, and you can show your problem, and I try to answer your question about this your problem. Okay, first I'm showing you chord. Yes, your chord, which position you can hold with which finger, and 2 finger, 3 finger, or 4, for example. And right hand is a rhythm for 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hand, and show this chord G major or A sharp minor, for example. And the next part I'm going to play slowly and fast and slowly, 114 and 19, for example. Yes. Okay, let's get started. This is about E minor on another position of guitar. E minor on the first and the second fret. 6th string, 3rd, 2nd, and 1 is open. You can hold the 2nd string on the 2nd fret of 5 string. The note is the B, and 3rd the finger of left hand on hold. A minor on the 2nd fret, 5 string, 6 and 3, 6th string is open, or you can it's very, yes, it's better. And we can hold the C and E and A on the 2nd fret, 5, 4, and 3rd string, and the next note is E on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th fret of guitar. Fifth position. First note is B, second note is G, and the next note is E. Next note is E. 7th fret of guitar. It's very so hard, yes. First note is E on the 7th fret of guitar. Next note is G on the 5th fret of guitar. Next note is B on the 4th fret of guitar with the 1 finger and the 4th finger on the 8th fret of second string. It's very hard, yes. And the next E, M, E minor is here. Yes, very used on the guitar. Next A minor, 12th position. 4 sound. Open is not touching, just 6, 5, 4 and 3. Third string on the 12th of 5 string, 12th fret of 5 string, and the 4 finger on the 12th fret of the 4th string, and the 1 first or 1 finger on the 10th fret of 3rd string of guitar.